Okay. Hi, guys. These are not my cats, but my brother bought them, and I want to. I have two that we've already had for like 2 weeks, and I want to show you the two newbies that we got. Now, this is lavender. She doesn't smell like it. No, nowhere close. But she's sweet and she's cute and she's kind and I think she might be the youngest. She's adorable. Say hi, love. Now, Lavender, you can go sleep because really I know you're tired. Princess. Princess. This is Princess. She's adorable. She actually lets me hold her, but her sister, she despises when I touch her. You can see by this. Like, I have so many scratches on my hand. No. No. Anyways, yeah, this is Princess. I love her. She's adorable. They are all girls. All of them. She is despising me right now for some reason. So I'm just going to pet her. Her little pets. Your pets. Yeah, this is Princess. I colored her. Because her and her sister look almost identical. Even though she's darker than her sister. But still, I can barely tell them apart. Anyway, she is lovable. I love her. Now she is despising me for some reason. I'll be right back. Shh, be quiet. You're fine. Alright, I keep dropping my iPad. Oh my god. This is Socks. She hates it when I hold her, so that's why oh my god. You're fine. 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 Yeah, this is Socks. She hates me. She doesn't hate me because I'm the one who feeds them. But shh, 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 shh. Yeah, this is Socks. I didn't color her. Yeah, this is Socks. I love her, but she hates me, and most of these scratches I got, she from her a little bit from Princess. She likes to play with everything on my body, including my skin. It hurts. But yeah, this is Socks. Say bye, Socks. No, we have another newbie. She's terrified of me for some reason. Alright. Where'd you go? I love you. I love you. Seriously, where is this rat child? Move, please. I'm wondering. Make it move. These cats have no motor control. What are you doing under the bed? You're usually so. Anyways, I cannot find Midnight. So, like I was just saying, I cannot find Midnight. Anyways, this video is for you guys, the kids. I really want to show you guys all of them. They are absolutely adorable. Oh my god, I love them. I'm about to call you guys right now, actually. Peace out. Love you.